Is your business ready for the flu season and COVID-19? Today, COVID-19 is affecting everyone in the world. In the United States, we have governmental chaos and social unrest. How do you run a successful business or manufacturing plant under these conditions? In the United States, we had our first case on January the 21st. And now we have over 7 million people that have caught COVID-19. And sadly to say, over 200,000 deaths in America caused by COVID-19 in 9 months. This is worse than the whole continent of Africa. And now flu season is going to start in October, about a week and a half away. It runs from October to March with a peak being in December. The question is your plant prepared? Is your business prepared? Are you prepared? If not, go to www.caldwell.associatesexcel.com. We have a video there that may help you, and it could help you, and we would love to help you. Thank you for your time.